welcome back to another video. Yeah, so Drag Rivals Part 2. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Show me your support by liking the video with free people and subscribing to the channel and stay tuned. Yeah, YouTube, so in the left lane you have Miggy Alcacils, man. Tell you, I carry nasty, terrible, wicked, and bad. Yeah, man.
His time 9.303 seconds. Rare Reed in 9.992 seconds. We had an earlier discussion with Kevin Jackson, who won, the previous race. Same now, make nobody beat him. Yes, he's on a mission for today. We're still waiting on you to stage lane. 14 and 15 seconds class racers. Still waiting on you in the stage lane. Hold on. So at the line, we have in the left lane, Sanity me. Left lane. This is the pro lap. So I broke out the last one. So let's see what happens with him this time around. Performance from Keone. You're wrong. I'm going to do so far. Be right chasing. Not messing up.
Anything I go on? Burger King?
So close. Super Street 15 seconds class finals. Very slow. That one.
This is what the gangster life is like. Roll out in the range, I won't time ride my bike. I tested I got it so tight. I know the bad my pocket over them no lie. When I want to
Alright, so Vijay Bowler will go against Lorenzo Virgo. This is the 12 seconds class finals. Virgo wins that one. Time 12.224 for Lorenzo Virgo. 12.655 for Vijay Bowler. This is the Pro Street 12 seconds class. Second class, we have right lane at Gregory Rose, left lane at Charlie Tomlinson. So we'll get the ready down. All right. Up next, the people sponsor pro modified 10 seconds class. Final competitors are Damian Daly right lane, Kevin Jackson left lane. Robert Morrison, right lane. Fabian Thompson, left lane. Accuracy, composure, and lights the line. There. Right lane, Robert Morrison. Spectators standing right in front of the announcement area. You cannot stand there, please. Spectators in front of the announcement area. You cannot stand there. The gentleman in the blue shirt and the camouflage hat, can you just please? Thank you. I still cannot see the light. I have to see the light. Thank you. All right.
Chief Steward, is it?
Gentleman in the blue shirt and camouflage hat, I cannot see the light. Please. Thank you. Alright, so here we go. Up next, this is the Island Auto Pro Race 9 seconds class. So we have Robert Morrison. Harold Brown in the left lane. Lots of sauce moving up to the start line. This is the Island Auto Park sponsored Pro Race 9 seconds class. So big up to Island Auto Park for sponsoring. Gentleman in the white shirt, I can't see the light, you can't stand there. Thank you very much. 3 14 seconds class races. Edward Campbell, Tahona Gift Million. Final. Here we go. Welcome to the live. Edward, Tahona, Edward, to the finish line. Beautifully done by Edward Campbell there in the right lane, ladies and gentlemen, to win the finals for the Super Street 14 seconds class race. Of the finals, everybody. That was part 1 of today, so we're going to the next part of the program, which is our grudge races. Just give us, the cars are here, so it's just for the computer to switch out of the elimination mode over into grudge races, and then we can start that. So get your bets ready. I do believe our sponsors, Automotive Art, provided us with some colored fans. They are colored red and blue. I believe the right lane is the red lane and the left, right lane is the red lane.